The greeting text is the very first impression that an end user is going to have with your page. When a non-subscriber messages your page for the first time, this is the message that they're going to see. Now, as you can see from this example, you can personalize this message with the end user's name and add a little frosting with those emojis. So let me show you how to get it done. From your Manychat dashboard, go ahead on the left-hand side menu and click on Settings. From here, you're going to see right away a greeting text box. This is where you're going to type out your greeting text. Now remember, you only have 160 characters allotted here. In order to personalize this message with the individual's first name, or really any kind of indicator like first name, last name, full name, you click on these brackets right here. First name, last name, full name. In this case, I chose first name. Then I wanted to add a little frosting to Mary's greeting text, so I added a couple of emojis to strengthen the call to action of get started. And in order to do that, I just click on this a little emoji icon, and I'm able to select any of these emojis. Click here to preview your greeting text. There you have it. Now your greeting text is all set, and non-subscribers can get some context and set those expectations before they even come into your Messenger bot.